In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count pips effectively on TradingView using a couple of handy tools and shortcuts. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to measure price changes accurately is key to making informed trading decisions. First, let's focus on using the Measure tool, a convenient feature that TradingView offers. You'll find this tool by locating the ruler icon on the left-hand side of your toolbar. It's simple and intuitive to use, making it a great starting point for quickly measuring price movements. Once you've located the icon, click on it to activate the tool. Next, click anywhere on the chart at your entry price level. Hold down the mouse button and drag your cursor to your desired exit price level. As you do this, you'll notice the tool begins to measure and display real-time data for you. When you release your mouse button, you'll see the price difference, not just in terms of percentage change, but also in pips, providing a comprehensive snapshot of the movement. Now, if you're looking for a bit more detail, you can switch over to the Price Range tool. Positioned on the same toolbar, it's quite similar to the Measure tool, but offers expanded insights. Using this tool, just like before, click on your entry point on the chart and drag to your exit point. This tool doesn't just stop at pips and percentage, it offers a more detailed view, including notes about the price movement and even the number of bars that have elapsed between your selected points. This can be particularly useful for traders needing a deeper dive into the data. For those who appreciate shortcuts to streamline their workflow. Here's a quick tip. You can activate the ruler function by simply using the keyboard, pressing Shift, and then clicking on the chart. This shortcut saves time and allows for quick measurements without hunting through the toolbar for the icon. Understanding a few key points about pips will also enhance your trading insights. In the Forex market, a pip is the standard unit for expressing the change in value between two currencies. Typically, most Forex pairs are quoted to 4 decimal places, and it's the 4th decimal that represents a single pip. However, when trading pairs that involve the Japanese yen, note that 1 pip corresponds to the 2nd decimal place. This detail is crucial for accurate measurement and assessment in your Forex activities. TradingView's intuitive tools, like the Measure tool and the Price Range tool, are designed to give you instant feedback on changes in price directly on the screen. They make the process of calculating pips simple and efficient, helping you focus on what truly matters, your trading strategies and decisions. Keep these tools and tips in mind as you navigate the charts, and you'll find yourself better equipped to analyze the market effectively.